Kawaii Tree Model Clay with Charms. Create a kawaii tree with colorful air-dry clay and charms.
Pals are kids.
For this project, you will need a heartwood base, soft bendable wire, white air-dry model clay you can mix with paint to get your colors, and my personal favorite, charms. Oh, and don't forget the hot glue gun. You may substitute with tacky glue. Oh, so many charms. I love charms. So cute, so pretty. What's not to love about charms? A lollipop, rainbow, Barbie sign, a pig, a bow, cherry, even a lime. What's not to love about charms? These are the charms that I chose for this project. The tree needs a wire structure to be the bone of the model clay. Wrap around in loops and make a base so the tree can stand. Also, make some branches. Now glue the trunk of the tree to the heartwood base. There, you have your tree bone structure. Time for the model clay. Use a brown color for the trunk and branches of the tree. Start with some pieces at the base and cover the wire. Now wrap around the branches and trunk to give it some texture. Now it's time to make lots of balls for the leaves. Make different sizes and different colors. I made about 20 balls. Now start with the big balls and stick them on the branches. Then use the small balls to fill in any gaps or any ends. Use the smaller balls to cover any wire showing. Use the smallest balls last. There, you have your tree. Now it's time for the charms. Stick them on the ball leaves and make sure they're stuck well. When they dry, the charms dry on them. The charms are the fruit of the tree. Now you have your beautiful, cute, kawaii clay tree. You can buy this craft kit on www.houseartkids.com or check the link below. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe!